أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
ما كان للنبي والذين آمنوا أن يستغفروا للمشركين ولو كانوا أولي قربى من بعد ما تبين لهم أنهم أصحاب الجحيم.
It is not for the Prophet and those who believe to ask forgiveness for the polytheists, even if they are near relatives, after it has become clear to them that they are people of hellfire.
وما كان استغفار إبراهيم لأبيه إلا عن موعدة وعدها إياه فلما تبين له أنه عدو لله تبرأ منه إن إبراهيم لأواه حليم.
Abraham asked forgiveness for his father only because of a promise he had made to him, but when it became clear to him that he was an enemy of Allah, he disowned him. Abraham was kind and clement.